overpowered. Is that a 70?
64.
Flat there. Or is it going fast enough?
No, it's just me on the sticks. Still a wee bit high. That's better.
Lovely noise.
Yeah. Brilliant, hopefully I didn't rip the...
Come in flat with them.
Hey pilots, here's a wee rundown on a gorgeous F-35 Lightning from Jetworks. Built it with a FMS64 mm fan. Got it from the guys at 4Max, the electric flight specialist. George and the guys doing there, huge shout to them. So I've got it running on a 4S 2200 mAh battery, 50C, and a 40 amp Predator ESC. The build also includes 3D printed nose cone, exhaust, pilots. The all up weight without the battery, 719 grams. Centre of gravity, I've got it set at the suggested 37 millimeters, and it's absolutely bang on the money. Throws I've got set at 15 for the ailerons and 25 millimeters for the elevator. Let's get back to the flying.
Oh, I must have hit the ailerons there. Alright, coming in to land, Peter.